Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Tozo Q4040. This is a little toy quadcopter that looks to me like a knockoff of the Broad-Dream S9 Mini or the K-Dang, I think it's the K100 or something. Yeah, it looks just like those. So I think it's just a rebrand of that. There's the model number there. There's a description on the back. And there is a camera version, so it's got some QR codes there if you have the camera version, which I don't have. And yeah, this is going to be a nice flyer, you know. DeAndre made a video about this. I'll put his link in down there below and you can go check his out. But he liked it, so, and it was really cheap too. I mean, it was on Amazon. He hooked me up with the link for it. I think I got it for 10 bucks or something like that. So let's open it up and check out what's inside. Okay, here's what you get in the box. You get the battery right here, and that's a 3.7 380 milliamp hour. It's a proprietary battery. Got your little charger here, and it's one of them you turn the red light will be on, you plug it in, and the red light goes out. When the red light comes back on, it's charged. Spare set of props, 2 manuals, one in Chinese and one in English. You got your little peanut controller here. That looks pretty cool. The other one came with that too, and it has the, I think it's 2, yeah, it takes 2 AAA batteries go in there. Then here's the quadcopter itself. It has a little cowling on it right there, a little cover. And the battery goes in there, and then you hit the button here on the bottom to make it pop open like that. So yeah, this is just a complete knockoff of the, I think it's the K-Dang. I don't know if the Broad-Dream. No, the Broad-Dream was that little mini spark looking thing. The K-Dang, the K100 was the one that looked like this. But they were both excellent flyers, so I'm expecting this thing to really kick ass. So the K100 was great outside too. So I think this is going to be really good. And the battery just pops right in here. There's the pins for it right there. And it just pops in on those pins right there. And it has this little part that holds it on. So you just pop it in there, push it in. It just pops right in there. And then this just snaps on the top right there, like that. And the front would be, okay, let's go this way. This is the front right here. That's where the camera would be. And so this part here goes to the front. So you would just snap it in there like that. And there's a little thing right there to release it. Right there. There's a little clip right here. You push down on that and that releases the back of the body right there. So not complicated. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. So let me get it put together and take it over there for a little spin. Alright guys, I'm here with the Tozo Q4040. It's a legend. Let's fire it up. I'll put the time in the little corner there. I hit the return to home button actually. There's the rates, push down on that one. I'm in the 3rd rate right now. I think this might be a 2 rater in the house. Oh yeah, it's nice. Look at that thing, man. Oh yeah, just like that K-Dang, K100, same thing. Flies just like it. Look at them flips, how nice and tight they are. Oh yeah, this is a winner here. No doubt. Well, the K-Dang was a winner, and that's what this is. This is the K-Dang. There's the third rate there. There's the yaw on the third rate. There's a bird out there on the balcony. He wants to come and see the Tozo. Here's the first rate. Actually, the first rate's pretty quick too. I'll put the flight time in, like a little clock, and it'll be in the corner there. It has the headless mode and the return to home, which is, I'll get that set up. I think it's this one here. Wait a minute, no, that's the headless mode there. Turn that off. I think the return to home must have been the other one there. Yeah, it was. It was going that way. It thought that was the head, or it thought that way was the head, so started going backwards. That's return to home on toys. It's just going backwards. That's what return to home means on toy quadcopters. It has nothing to do with home, okay? This is a great outdoor flyer too. This thing will cut the wind like crazy because of its pitch. And it's got some nice powerful motors on it too. I just crashed into my leg and then crashed into the wall. So we're gonna come back strong, okay? We're not playing around. Let me put the prop back on. Put it down here. See, we don't play around here. I had that thing coming in so hot, I couldn't stop it. Like I was saying, this is a great flyer outside. Okay, so now that's 2 crashes. I was trying to turn one way, and then I tried to turn back the other direction, and I screwed that up. So that's on me. Well, they're all on me, right? All the crashes are my fault. That's how that works. And I leave the crashes in, guys. I'm not a chicken. I don't bail out when it comes to the crashes. Yeah, this thing is really good outside. You think it's good in here, which it is, except for my crashing. I think I knocked the trim out a little hair. Yeah, I did. Okay, I got it. It's back to normal. This thing here is much more suited for outside because of the speed and the pitch that it has. It's a lot better outside, a lot more fun outside than it is in here, no doubt. No doubt. There's another crash. It's a little bit, compared to some of the other ones I've been flying in here, it's a little bit soft on the turns. It's not as crisp on the turns as some of these other little ones that I've been flying around in here. Hopefully I got the right blade on the right on the right prop or on the right motor. But we'll find out in a heartbeat here. Hold on, let me look at this. B2, and what's this one? A1, no, I got it on the wrong one. Okay, hold on. Let me do some maintenance here, some motor maintenance. I pulled the motor out of the socket there. Yeah, if I would have took off in the wrong with the prop on the wrong motor, believe me, it would have just went. So if you've ever done that, that's what happens. They just flip upside down. The motors are actually a little warm, so that thing is screaming, believe me. Okay, so they're on the right ones now because it wouldn't be flying if they weren't, okay? The sucker would have flipped over in a heartbeat. Yeah, it's the steering, when you turn, it's just a little bit on the soft side. It's not as crisp as, you know, some of these other ones that I've had in here. Like that Dowlin thing. It's nowhere near as good as that as far as the steering radius. But it's still a great little toy. So this is a great toy here. I think this is the most crashes I ever had in one video. Uh-oh, the light's flashing. Okay, so we're losing the... I'll put the flight time in. I'll try to hold out as much battery as I can here. Yep, it won't flip no more. Okay, that's it. Battery's dead. Oh, well, not dead. It's down there with 20%, 10%, something like that. All right, guys, there you go. The Tozo Q4040. It's a legend. Yeah, it's a nice flyer. This thing, well, you wait till I get this thing outside. Watch what you see what this thing does outside. You'll be amazed how badass this is. And if you don't want to wait, you can go back and look at one of my older videos with the K-Dang K100. But this thing screams outside. So the props weren't damaged at all. They're not bent or anything like that. It was your normal indoor crash stuff. So big deal. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.